Hello everyone, welcome to EduCare 247. This is the 8th lecture of Government Scheme series, and this series is very much useful for RBI, NABARD and SEBI examination. In our 8th lecture, we are discussing schemes of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. This is the part 3rd of lecture. You can watch part 1 and 2 in our YouTube channel. NABARD has announced bumper vacancy for NABARD Grade A officer 2020. EduCare 247 has launched NABARD Grade A examination 2020 crash course. In this crash course, you will get general awareness, economic and social issues, agriculture and rural development, and computer awareness. All current affairs will be covered in this course. Government scheme, economic survey, budget, important reports and indices, report published by different ministries and NABARD, summary of Yojana and Kurukshetra will be covered. You will get notes, quizzes, and some notes will be in the form of video also. So what are you waiting for? Enroll for this course. The course fee is 2,499. You can visit our website educare247.com and subscribe to the courses. We have separate courses for agriculture section also. So if you want only agriculture content, you can subscribe for the same. Our first scheme is Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. This scheme is for traditional farming improvement. It is to promote organic farming and it was launched in April 2019. This scheme encourages farmers to adopt eco-friendly concept of cultivation, reduce their dependence on fertilizers and chemical agriculture, so it will improve the yield. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana is an elaborated component of soil health management under National Mission of Sustainable Agriculture. So it is a component of National Mission of Sustainable Agriculture, and the main aim of this scheme is to promote organic farming. Let's discuss the objectives of Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. The first objective is to promote natural resource based integrated and climate resilient sustainable farming system. The second most important objective is to reduce cost of agriculture to farmers through sustainable integrated organic farming system, thereby enhancing the farmer's net income. So it will reduce the farmer cost and in result it will increase the farmer's net income. It will protect environment from the hazardous inorganic chemicals by adaptation of eco-friendly low cost traditional techniques, and it will empower farmers through their own institutional development to form a cluster and group. Cluster basically work for organic farming and it will make farmers entrepreneur also. So this is the overall objectives of Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Let's discuss the salient features of the Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. The first feature is under this scheme, cluster approach will be adopted. 50 or more farmers form a cluster and they must have 20 hectares or 50 acres land, and they will be eligible for assistance, financial assistance for organic farming. The assistance will be 48,700 per hectare for 3 years, and it will reduce their cost and it will also promote zero budget natural farming and permaculture. At least 30% of the budget allocation need to be earmarked for women beneficiaries. So women beneficiaries will be taken care of. Overall budget ka 30% will give to women beneficiaries. Government plan to form around 10,000 clusters in 3 years by 2017-18 and cover an area of 5 lakh hectare. So see, government has already covered the area of 5 lakh hectare for organic farming. So this is the salient features of this scheme. Let's see the components of this scheme. The first component is participatory guarantee system PGS certification through cluster approach. Under this, farmers will be mobilized and cluster will be formed and land will be identified for organic farming, and farmers will be trained for the organic farming and they will be given PGS certification and quality control will be taken care of. The other component is adoption of organic village for manure management and biological nitrogen harvesting through cluster approach. Under this, Action plan for organic farming will be formed. Integrated manure management, packing, labeling, all things will be done, and farmers will be trained for these things, and organic products will be branded for cluster. So this is the overall components of this scheme. The next mission is National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. This mission has been made operational in 2014-15, and aim of this mission is to make agriculture more productive, sustainable, remunerative and climate resilient by promoting location specific integrated composite farming system, soil and moisture conservation measure, comprehensive soil health management and efficient water management practices, and mainstreaming the rainfed technologies. So all the sustainable technology will be integrated and make agriculture more sustainable. It derives its mandate from the Sustainable Agriculture Mission, which is the part of National Action Plan on Climate Change. So ultimately, this mission is helping climate resilient agriculture. The objective of this mission is to make agriculture more sustainable, productive, remunerative and climate resilient. Conserve natural resources through appropriate soil and moisture conservation measure, adopt comprehensive soil management practices and optimize utilization of water resources. So this is the overall objective of this mission. Let's discuss the salient features of National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. This mission will cater to key dimensions of water use efficiency, nutrient management, livelihood diversification through adoption of sustainable development pathways. There are multiple components of this mission. The first component is rain-fed area development. The other component is on-farm water management. The other component is soil health management. The other component is climate change and sustainable agriculture through monitoring, modeling and networking. The another component is sub-mission on agroforestry, National Bamboo Mission, National Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast region is a sub-mission under this. So you can see that this mission is integrating all the sustainable practices from water to soil to rain, everything it's integrating and making agriculture sustainable. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. Thank you and happy learning.